Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: gloves, eye protection, and a solid work surface. Feel the tool, make sure the safety pawl and trigger move freely because a sticky mechanism causes misfires. Next, choose the correct steel nails for your substrate. Using wrong length can split material or jamming. Load the magazine with the strip seated flush against the feed. Once done, close the latch and pull the slide to perform a dry cycle so nails advance and you confirm proper feeding. You now move into execution. Position the gun perpendicular to avoid angled penetration because skewed nails reduce holding power. Make sure the workpieces are supported and clamped, then press the nose firmly into the surface. This engages the safety and stabilizes the tool. Squeeze the handle and pull the trigger with steady, decisive pressure. Release between shots to let the spring reset. Once you establish a rhythm, pace your shots so each nail seats fully without overdrive. Complete the job by inspecting each fastener for flush seating and consistent spacing. If nails sit proud, adjust technique or choose a different power stroke. When things go wrong, like a jam, stop, remove the magazine, and clear the stuck nail following the tool's safe procedure. Do not force parts. Finally, unload the gun, lock the safety, and clean debris from the feed and nose. Make sure to lightly lubricate moving parts so the gun stays reliable for the next task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.